Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and credentials. Make sure the lock's batteries are at least half charged and you have the current master code. Once done, stand close so the keypad and strike are visible. You'll need steady input. Press the programming button or enter the manufacturer's programming sequence now. This unlocks configuration mode so the lock accepts code changes. Make sure LEDs or tones indicate programming mode before proceeding. If nothing responds, try a fresh battery first. Now change the code. Once the lock signals programming mode, choose the change code function on the keypad or app. You must input the current code first so the lock verifies your authority. Then type the new passcode, use the recommended length, commonly 6 to 8 digits, and avoid obvious sequences. Re-enter the new code exactly to confirm. The lock should flash or beep to acknowledge. If the lock times out, repeat from programming mode. Don't rush the keystrokes. Finish by saving and testing. Exit programming mode per instructions, then test the new code from the exterior at least 3 times to confirm reliable locking and unlocking. Make sure users who need access receive the code securely and update any backup records. If the lock fails to accept the new code, check batteries and retry the sequence. If still failing, perform a factory reset only as a last resort since that erases all users. One key troubleshooting tip: replace batteries before lengthy reprogramming attempts to avoid intermittent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.